Does it hurt?
Yes.
Oh, look, Island. Dad, you gonna burn it? You gonna blow the candle? You gonna blow the candle?
We on a roll now. Let's go now. We on a roll now. Let's go now. Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been.
Hi, so we decided that we're gonna work now. Hi everyone. Hi. Hi Island family. Wagwan. Hi everybody. Excuse my Santa Claus slippers. It's cold here. So Island's gonna teach you all how he does it. Ready? Hey, come on. Yes, Mama, come. Yay! Don't feel sad. This is Kyogle Town, guys. And I think to buy like a land out here or even a house, it's quite not as dear as in the big cities. Country towns always are much more cheaper to buy places. So we're going towards Nimban. Whoop. Oh, baby. Greenish, lush mountains after mountains, you know, it's beautiful. There's a lot of potholes on the road, guys. So we just have to be really careful that we don't puncture a tire, because I'm not good at changing tires. Now, what do you say that? Kawalonga. Welcome you to. Yeah, we're not there yet, guys. This is another little town, I should say. Not many people would live here either. You know, it's a quiet little town, just with a cafe and whatnot there. We are driving down here. Look at that, beautiful. If you fall down there, you will never make it back up. Well, let me tell you that now. Australia. So guys, we're here now in Nimban, and every Wednesday they do farmers market, so you get great produce here, like your veggies and your fruits and stuff. Like farmers actually come out and sell here on Wednesdays, 3 to 6. Car, yeah, where it's all happening, you know. This is where it's all happening. Everybody's sort of sitting around. Okay, so we're gonna go for a little stroll. Oh, hallelujah, finally out of the car. All right guys, welcome to Nimban. Gotta have our masks on, you know. quiet today. Usually it's quite busy. So guys, we're gonna get some donuts. And Bobo's like, ooh, gonna eat something. Yeah, so this is where I usually come and get my coffee, guys. Everyone's wearing their masks. Let's check out the donuts. Hi. Can I just get a medium cappuccino, 2 sugars, please? And I'm gonna get a cinnamon scroll, thank you. Yes, Island. Island's pointing to the takeaway. Yes, please. It's on the card, thank you. Thank you. Top. Ooh, yummy, yummy, Bobo. Alright, let's wait over here. So it's my day off work, guys, so just thought I'd come and hang out with Island here at the shopping centre. And yeah, hey Bobo, here. I know he wants his donut. Hey. Hi guys, welcome back to the Island family. You know what it is? Well, today we're shopping with little Island, getting him some stuff. I'll just quickly browse around and show you. This is a little chair for him to sit on and watch movies, whatnot. And then I got him a little early birthday present for him, so he can go riding around. Just a few other little goodies around there. So guys, yeah, it's a vibe, you know. Shopping for this little fella is fun, that's for sure. There we go. I should calm him for a bit. Calm him down. Hey, Island? Yeah, so just a few little things. Shopping around. As you do. Oh, I really like that super-size camping chair there. Oh, it's a triple. It's very nice. Island, stay there. Don't go anywhere. Interesting. It's always fun, isn't it, Boo Boo? I'm here now because I've just purchased some stuff for Babe. And yeah, I just thought I'd get it out today. Just a few clothes for him. So when he gets here, I'm just having a look at the beans. Yeah, get daddy stuff. Get daddy stuff today. Hey, Island? Yeah? I'm sure I've got the sizes right, but if they don't by any means, I can just bring it in exchange or... Alright, cool. Island. With daddy. Buy clothes for dad. Yeah. So guys, I think that Island wants to go home and play with his toy. A little bubble. Hey, Mr. Island. We've got a bit of a full trolley here, guys. Yay! Happy days. E. Ah. Good boy. Hi, Island. Hi. Say hi to everyone, Bubba. Hey guys, welcome back to the Island family. This is your girl Maria. And so today we're just going for a little stroll, getting some garden things. I wanna buy some stuff from a garden, just make some veggie crops and things like that. So that's what I'm doing. Welcome guys to the Island family. This is your girl Maria and this is Little Island. We're here today to get some gardening stuff, guys. I want to do a veggie garden in my backyard, so this is what we're here for. Join us. I'm going to grab one of these. This is nice, guys. Just going to get one of these. I think this is going to be good. Do they come with like little stepping things? Hi guys, welcome back to the Island family. We're just here at the clinic. I'm here to get my first COVID shot or vaccine. So I'll find out with the doctor if I'm allowed to film it while I go. So yeah guys, first COVID vaccine is, I'm unsure whether it's AstraZeneca or the Pfizer. So we'll just see how we go with the doctor. So yeah guys, stay tuned. Yeah. So what are we having?
Okay.
I'm a YouTuber, so you're not on camera.
YouTuber.
I'm on camera, not you.
You are going on YouTube?
Yeah, I'm on YouTube. Yeah, just to, let people know that
Okay.
I'm getting my shot today and
Okay.
yeah, getting
You
my...
are also going on YouTube?
Yes, he is.
Huh? You are going to be popular on YouTube?
We are popular, almost. Yeah, so what did they say?
Yeah.
The AstraZeneca?
Yeah.
Okay.
So basically it is a personal preference, but we recommend under 60 Pfizer because of the government guideline. But those who want to use AstraZeneca, that's fine, no problem with that.
Okay.
We all have taken AstraZeneca. We are under 60, young as you are. But we took the AstraZeneca because we had an option. So I just wanted to confirm with.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. Here we go. We're gonna get it.
So which side?
Right, because I write with my left.
36.6. That side.
Here we go, guys. We're gonna get it.
Alright, so Fred.
Right.
This one?
Yeah.
Good. So I'm going to block your
That's fine.
photo. That's not
okay.
fine. Then
It's only got me on a wide angle,
Yeah.
but not you. Okay. Does it hurt?
Yes.
Oh.
It's going to be.
Okay. Here we go, guys.
It's going to be. Is it not a drink? Going through needle.
Island.
Okay. Done.
Done. Really?
Yes.
That was so quick, guys. Oh
So
my
quick.
gosh.
Yeah.
Okay. There we go.
Okay. Easy.
There we go. So guys, we're
Right
done.
side.
Island is not getting COVID vaccine because he's too little. But yes, it's a start, guys. It's a start. Come this way, this way. Come on, Coconut. Today is Little Island's birthday and he's picking a toy. Mr. Island boy is picking a toy. Island, do you like this one? his birthday, guys, so he gets to choose what he likes. Well, to a certain extent, because, you know, could be a little bit too much for him or overrated, I guess. No, this is for 3 to 6 years, though. I don't think that's going to be good for him. But I think he likes this one. You like this one, Island? Okay? Alright, let's go this one. Fixing, fixing, fixing. Fixing, fixing, fixing. Can we put that back? Oh, there's so many toys. Island, there's so many toys. Look. Wow. What are we going to get for the birthday boy? I don't know, Island. We've got to be patient. Okay? Tiki 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 boss. Gidgy 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 boss. Look at that, Bobo. Let's go have a look. Let's go have a look, shall we? Island! Oh my god, Bobo, look at this. Bobo? Bobo? Bobo. Gidgy boss. Gidgy boss boy. Bobo. Alright, let's go have a look at some books. Go, go, go. Where are you looking? Hey boy? You want the ball? You want the ball, huh? Hey, mister? Oh, look, Island. No, not into that. Spider-Man? You into Spider-Man? Ooh. Batman. Batman. Ooh, look at that, Island. Cars. Look. Speed racing cars. Look, Island. Look at this tray. Do you want to have a go? Want to have a go? Hey, birthday boy. Oh. Yeah. You want it? Which one do you want though? There's so many. Look. That's the big fire truck. You gonna be a fireman? Yeah, look. You want to get out. You want to touch everything. So guys, we have picked some gifts for Island. I'm going to enjoy reading this for him. Why I love my daddy. And I'm ready for my birthday because it's his birthday, so decided to get him some toys as well, which is, I'm sure he's going to really enjoy that, and obviously a little toy here for him as well. So guys, it's been a vibe. It's been a long day. I'm tired. I worked this morning and I came home and I was like, you know, got to get him something, get him out, do something, you know. Still, his birthday's not over yet, you know. We still got, you know, some other things planned for him as well, but you guys are all going to be in the midst of it. Thank you all so much. I also wanted to say thank you to Janet for a beautiful you know, day. It's been amazing.
Okay.
Hey guys, you got Dad on the phone. Today is Island's birthday. We're gonna sing you happy birthday. Ready? Okay, go. Hey, Boo. Ready?
Don't burn yourself now.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Island. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Yay! Daddy! There's Dad. You're gonna burn it. You're gonna blow the candle. You're gonna blow the candle. Yeah, ready?
Careful now. Careful now.
Ready? Blow the candle. Blow. Blow. Make a wish. Come on, Dad. Go blow. No. He doesn't know what he's doing. Island, you have to blow. Blow. 1, 2, 3, blow. Blow. Like this. Blow. Like that. Blow.
Go, Bubba.
Blow. Go. Go on. Go on, blow. Blow, Bubba. I Dad to watch you. Oh, come on, Bubba. Okay. Come on, blow. Blow the candle. Blow the candle. Blow. Yeah, look, hot. Yay! Woohoo!
Did he blow it? You blow it?
Yeah, semi. Okay. You want some? Alright, we're gonna cut.
Okay, Bubba.
Cut
Time
Daddy.
to smile,
Yay! Oh, you wanna lick it? You can lick it. Lick it.
Time to spoil you, huh?
Yummy, yummy. Yummy, Bobo. It's your birthday. He loves it. See our Dada there. Look. Daddy there.
You gotta wash it up.
Daddy. We love you, Dad. Can't wait to see you here soon. Say hi to
Love
the
you, my
vlog.
boy.
Yeah, soon, baby, soon.
Yeah, my son's birthday, you know? Beautiful moment, you know? Yeah, man, just in front of you right now.
For real. Alright, okay. Island wants some cake. Look at Island. Go on, eat your cake. Yes, boy, yeah. Happy birthday, Bobo. I love you. One from Mommy and one from Dad. Yeah. Yes, boy. Alright, babe, I'm gonna call you on my phone.
Yeah.
Alright, wait, give Daddy kisses. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Mwah. Dada there, look. Mwah. Mwah. Go on, give Daddy kisses.
You wanna dig it to me, huh?
You want to give Daddy kisses? He wants to eat his cake. You want to give Daddy kisses? Island.
What is that shirt, huh?
Island, Dad, kisses.
Dang, I gotta be a
You want to
I
give Daddy
swear, man, you need to get it on camera. I swear.
Yeah, it's on. It's on. Hey, you want to give Daddy kisses? You want to give Daddy kisses? Dada. Dada. Go where? Eat your cake. Here, take a big bite. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Yes, it's nice.
Nice.
Yes.
And we're gonna keep some for Daddy when he comes. Yeah? Yep. No. Can we get kiss? Island.
Where is that?
Island. Dad.
Is it because you're on camera eating sushi?
Watch
Okay.
this. Watch this.
Go for it. Hey, boo-boo.
Hi, Daddy.
Boo-boo-boo-boo. Did you
Nah, don't close the screen on Dad.
I can be like that. Can be son? Yeah, I listen to big one. Eh? What kind of is that?
Daddy.
Yeah, what? Big a piece, sir? Yeah, I get piece. Yeah. What that's supposed to be? Like a piece? Wow, piece.
All right.
So cute.